guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we learn that how to use table driven pattern in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. For the table driven pattern, we need a body, feature or face. Okay, this is the part on which we will create the feature. So let's create. Okay, now our feature has been created for the table driven pattern. Okay, so before creating the table driven pattern, we have to create a user coordinate system. This point we need a user coordinate system that respects x axis, this one, and this will be y axis, and this will be z axis. Okay, then click on OK. Our user coordinate system is also created. Now we will click on table driven pattern, then click user coordinate system, select this one. Okay, then select feature. Okay, put the values for first instances. Okay, so our first instances will be 25 mm in x direction from this point and 35 mm from this point in y direction. Okay, as you can see. And second instances, it will be 45 in x and 55 in y. Same, it will be 65 mm and it is 75 in y. Okay, like this, as you can see in the preview, you can create the table driven pattern. Now it is with respect of centroid. Okay, if you want to select this, if you want to this pattern with respect of selected point, okay, we will click on selected point and click on this one, this point here, and okay, now it is with respect of this selected point. Okay, and click on OK. Here is a one more option by which we can create the table driven pattern, that is read a file from. Okay, so for this we have to create a notepad file. Okay, so we'll create notepad. This is a 60. Okay, you can put the values in this notepad. Okay, like this, and you can save it, close it, then browse it from here. Text files, table driven pattern, open. You can see which value I put in notepad these are here. Okay, so now it is created by from file. Okay, so click on OK. Just like this, you can use the table deployment pattern. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like these. Okay, thank you.